I'll be taking you through some of the paper handling and finishing options of the imageRUNNER ADVANCE C5500 Series. We'll also be walking through some of the exciting new finishing features that we're offering on these new models. The imageRUNNER ADVANCE C5500 Series comes standard with 3 paper sources and a paper capacity of up to 1,200 sheets. Cassette 1 holds up to 550 sheets of letter-sized paper. Cassette 2 holds up to 550 sheets of up to 12-inch by 18-inch sized paper. This tray also supports envelopes with the included envelope feeding attachment. The multi-purpose tray holds up to 100 sheets. One of 3 options can be attached to create the base of the unit: a cabinet, a cassette feeding unit, or the new high-capacity cassette feeding unit. While the cabinet does not add any additional paper capacity, it provides a convenient space to store toner or paper. The cassette feeding unit adds 2 additional paper cassettes holding up to a combined 1,100 sheets and supporting up to 12-inch by 18-inch sized paper. The high-capacity cassette feeding unit is a new option that was not available on predecessor models. It holds up to 2,450 sheets of letter-sized paper. As you can see, the paper is loaded on both sides of the drawer. When the stack on the right is depleted, the stack on the left is automatically shifted and then fed. This new option allows for support of up to 3,650 sheets within the existing footprint of the device, over 50% larger capacity than previous models. For additional paper capacity, a side paper deck, which holds up to 2,700 sheets, can be added. This brings the maximum paper capacity to 6,350 sheets. The imageRUNNER ADVANCE C5500 Series supports an optional inner finisher, which provides staple finishing within the footprint of the main unit. The inner finisher outputs to 2 trays with a combined capacity of up to 545 sheets. Unlike the predecessor model, the inner finisher now supports an optional inner hole puncher. This can help save space by allowing for 2 and 3 hole punching without needing to include an external finisher. The imageRUNNER ADVANCE C5500 Series also supports either of 2 optional external finishers: Staple Finisher Y1 or Booklet Finisher Y1. These optional finishers feature 2 trays and support an output capacity of up to 3,250 sheets. While the predecessor model had 2 moving trays, the imageRUNNER ADVANCE C5200 Series external finishers have 1 moving tray and 1 stationary tray. This contributes to a reduction in the amount of noise the finishers produce. Both external finishers support an internal hole puncher, available as an additional option. The internal hole puncher allows for a smaller overall device footprint, as the predecessor models only offered an external hole puncher. This improvement decreases the width of the configuration by 8.9 inches. All finishers come standard with staple-free stapling. This binds the paper together with pressure and not the use of metal staples. This helps cut down on staple usage and is easier for users to separate their originals later on. When printing, the setting can be selected from the finishing options within the driver. When copying, you can access the staple-free finishing from where you select your preferred finishing options. While the UI screen indicates that the max number of pages is 5, that is the official spec for 17-pound bond paper, which is not as common. For 20-pound bond paper, the official spec is 4 pages. If you select staple-free stapling for a document more than 5 pages, the device will not attempt to bind the pages together at all. Another benefit of staple-free stapling is that it makes for more efficient stacking. Here we have side-by-side comparisons of the same document. 4 pages, 50 sets. As you can see on the right, the staple-free sets take up less space than the traditional staple on the left. All finishers also come standard with a convenient stapler, which we are calling Staple on Demand. Say you have a user who has a stapled set of originals that they want to make a copy of. They simply walk up to the device, remove the staple, and scan their original. After the copy is complete, the user can easily restaple their original right at the device. You can either push the green button, or it will automatically staple after a set amount of time. The default is 3 seconds, but this can be adjusted from 1 to 5 seconds. The inner finisher supports stapling of up to 40 sheets, and the external finishers support stapling of up to 50 sheets. As you can see, the imageRUNNER ADVANCE C5500 Series offers impressive paper handling and finishing options with some really valuable new features compared to the predecessor models. Be sure to view the other videos to learn more about the value-added features of the imageRUNNER ADVANCE product line.